Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I'm going to share with you on Google. Just announced this AI professional certificate. You can get Google AI professional certificate. Okay, so yeah, you can learn about Google AI. Okay, Google AI. So basically, this you see, what I expect. AI skills for all. Okay, you don't need any experience, any roles or industries, and then it's going to be taught by Google experts. Get practical insights and tips from them. And there's hands-on exercise using AI with 20 activities. Okay, you can customize your AI training and all that. So you will get a cert after the completion. You will learn expert prompting, responsible judgment to apply AI confidently, professional skills by using AI to generate plans, tailor content. Okay, reusable assets using during the 20 hands-on, build your own suits of reusable assets. And then create functional apps for your workflow through vibe coding. Okay, become more productive by chaining tasks in the powerful time-saving AI workflows. So the tools that you will learn and use, all this Gemini app, Gemini Jobs, Gemini Canvas, Nano Banana, VO3, Gemini Deep Research, Gemini Live, NotebookLM, Gemini in Google Workspace, Shared Slides Meet AI Studio. So these are the courses. Okay, course 1, all the AI fundamentals, and then AI for brainstorming. I learn about this one is about concepts, prompting skills, AI brainstorming. You need to think about brainstorming concepts, build detailed timeline, create a plan, and then AI for research and insights. So use AI for research work. Deep research, using deep research NotebookLM to quickly generate the summaries, gain insights and pressure, test ideas for informed decisions. So those people who does, if you are doing research work, you want a quick summary of the research, then this will be actually pretty very useful. AI for writing. Those people in marketing, and sales and communications, yeah, doing ads and all that, or even YouTubers, content creators. This will be good. AI for writing communication. Turn rough notes into clear messages, easily adaptable for different stakeholders, practice presentation, and yeah, those sales people as well, presentation skills. But anticipating questions and concerns as well, so you get to practice and presenting and all that. Public speakers, presenters, sales, top management, C-level people, CEOs, and all that. Content creators, yeah, content creators like me, and all that. You can use AI as your creative partner to generate high quality images, videos, and presentation. So content creators, you can actually learn more on content creation, doing all this. And then data analytics, those who does research work. Okay, research work. You want to analyze your data for information presentation. Yeah, so this is another tool you can learn, transform unstructured data into clear insights. Master skills to clean, analyze, and create comparative visualization, formalization with Gemini and Google Sheets. And then app building. You can now build your own app. Okay, build your own custom app. Tackle most tedious tasks and all that. Okay, so this one is about 3 months AI Pro. You can enroll that. This is all talking about goods reviews. So let's look at the full module. Just now is a summary. Google actually used Coursera to put up this course. Okay, you can actually start enrolling. It's already beginning from today. You can actually click on enroll and enroll it. Yesterday when I checked, right, it's not free at all. I think yesterday I saw it's $49. Okay, it's not free. So there you go. Basically learning all this AI skill 7 course series. Just I went through all these things, and the number of hours is actually very short. Then within a day you should be able to complete it. Okay, AI for building data analytics, content creation, and all that. Okay, you can sign up and then you can get a Google AI Professional Certificate. Okay, that's it. If you like the video, please click the like button. Okay, courses anyway, is and subscribe to my channel. Okay, do share with others as well. By the way, I don't earn any commission from Coursera. I'm not promoting Coursera. Yeah, I'm not affiliated with Coursera. Okay, so basically that's it. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.